Hi friends, today I will show you how to make paneer kathi rolls. For this we need 100 grams of paneer, some onion, some mixed colored bell peppers, around half a cup of hung curd or Greek yogurt, garam masala, amchur powder, chaat masala and cumin powder. Also I have made ginger garlic paste using 3 garlics and 1 inch of ginger. First we have to marinate the paneer in this curd mixture. For that I have cut the paneer block in some small cubes and I'll add the masala in this curd. For that we need 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of cumin powder. So I'll add first the ginger garlic paste in the curd. And all these masalas as well. And mix it thoroughly with the paneer cubes. We have to coat each and every paneer piece with this masala and have to let it sit for at least 30 minutes so that all the flavors go inside the paneer. While paneer is marinating, I have thinly sliced half a onion, half green and yellow bell pepper. Also for the rolls, I have prepared the dough using half cup of whole wheat atta and half cup of plain maida. Also added some oil and salt. To prepare this dough, I used little more than 1/4 cup of water. This should be little soft dough. Fry this paneer. I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil in this kadhai. Now the oil is heated. I'll throw half of the onions and the peppers in this and saute for some time. We want it to be little cooked but not all completely cooked. We want it to be little bit crunchy. As the onion and capsicum are little bit cooked, I'll add the paneer to it. Let this mixture cook on medium flame till all the water evaporates so that this becomes a little thick. Now you can see the gravy is thickened and the mixture is leaving the oil. So we can add some salt as per the taste. In the remaining onion and bell peppers, I have added half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder and few drops of lemon juice so that we can use this in the wrap as a garnish and for some crunch. Now I will roll each dough ball into chapati. This should be a little bit thinner than the normal chapati. You have to cook the chapati from both the sides by pressing it so that it's completely cooked. Now this roll is cooked and we have to keep doing this with all the dough balls. I will assemble the roll. For that we need this chapati which we made, coriander chutney, and the salad of onion and bell pepper, and the paneer mixture. For this green coriander chutney, I have already made the video. You can find the link in the description. First you have to apply like half a tablespoon of coriander chutney to the wrap. Add 1 tablespoon or more of the paneer mixture. Add the salad to this for added crunch and texture. We will roast this wrap on the tawa with some, or you can also use butter or ghee. Keep it on the pan for some time so that the open part gets sealed, and flip it up and cook from the other side to make it more crispy. You can also make this wrap using only all-purpose flour so that it becomes more soft and smooth. But I want to keep it little bit healthy, so I also added the half whole wheat flour. Now you can serve it with more chutney or ketchup as per your liking. You can also cut it in half to show the fillings. This looks delicious, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you.